family rooms.
Right.
So you kind of see, you know. God, my hand won't stop shaking. Okay, still.
And considering they put on like plays and stuff.
Put on the little thingy. Yeah. Nothing. Put on the spike thing.
Considering they had like entertainment in here, it's a very small room.
Yeah.
Ceasefire.
Yeah, this witch. Good lord. A few minutes ago, I felt like a little coldness on my leg.
Creature.
It's not funny.
It's answering what you're talking about.
It was a kitty.
Mm-hmm. Kitty, 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 kitty. Come on, kitty, kitty.
Yeah, the guy said it's a phantom cat. Here, pretty kitty.
Nice kitty.
Soft kitty, warm kitty, little mother. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr, purr, purr.
That'd been funny if we see a little cat shadow somewhere.
And the tour continues that way.
Yeah. I'm ready to go by New York. War.
Well, yeah. Because this place is like really old. And my voice just cracked a little.